Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a damaged Galaxy S21 Ultra that needs a new display. And David is here with us, our Samsung Galaxy expert, to do something about it. So first thing we're gonna do is remove the back cover on this Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's a flagship smartphone from Samsung, but nothing to worry about because David is our in-house expert for everything Samsung. So this is gonna be a quick repair. Not because it's really easy to do, but David is just making it look easy on camera. If you are going to try this on your own, if you want to DIY on your own S21 Ultra repair, you better have the proper tools and of course guts to perform this complicated process without any experience. However, if you have any tools and experience, you can just follow on some YouTube videos and you're off to go. But if you don't want the hassle of sourcing the parts, doing the complex repairs and messing up your S21 Ultra even more, you can just go to your local repair service technician and let them do the job for you. Here we're gonna remove all the components from the main board to the smallest rubber grommet to the battery and to the donor board, since we are gonna replace the housing with the display. So unlike any other repair channels here on YouTube, you can see they're just removing the display. Here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we are going to remove the housing and the display, and it will look nicer, I guess, because the housing is new, just like your display. It's not going to be mismatched wherein you have a brand new display but a scratched up housing. Here we're gonna screw in the daughter board, cover it, and then we're gonna extract the battery from the old display. We're also gonna transfer them to the new housing. Here's our main board. You can see all the processing components are in this area, so Samsung has done a good job in making it very, very efficient in terms of its footprint. We're gonna cover it partially, and then the battery is gonna be installed with all the connectors. Cover it. And then we're gonna screw everything together. So just like what I've said, this is gonna be easy for David. And voila, it's working. So there's no other way to know if the display is working until you complete the whole reassembly process. And here we're gonna install the SIM card, do all the tests that we need to do, see if we fixed it, and I think that we did. So if you have the same issue with your S21 Ultra and you don't have a warranty from Samsung, or you have a very, very high quote from other repair centers and you want to save some cash, then David there will help you fix your S21 Ultra with a really reasonable price. And I think we're done. We just have to restart it because I think it's in a different mode, and I'm positive that it's gonna be done. So thanks for joining, guys. If you have any questions for these kinds of repairs, don't hesitate to message us. We are online most of the time, and if you are not gonna be visiting Sydney anytime soon, you can send in your broken smartphone and we're gonna fix it here in the shop and then send it back to you once we're done with it. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. And as always, cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?